Hello everyone, this is Gagandeep Singh. I'm going to talk about Xiaomi. So, as we all know, Xiaomi is a renowned brand in India. Xiaomi Corporation is a Chinese multinational electronic company founded in April 2010 and headquarters in Beijing. Beijing is the capital of China. So, as we all know, Xiaomi is a Chinese company. Xiaomi released its first smartphone in August 2011 and rapidly gained their market share in China to become the country's largest smartphone company in 2014. At the start of quarter of 2018, Xiaomi was the world's fourth largest smartphone brand company around the world and second largest mobile phone company in India. Now let's talk about what all the products that Xiaomi make. Xiaomi is very famous for their smartphones in India, but Xiaomi is a very big corporation, so they don't make only smartphones. They make many mobile accessories such as power banks, smartwatches, wireless earphones, smartwatches, fit bands, and also they are in the business of making budget laptops. They are in the business of making smart TVs. They make vacuum cleaners which are smart, and they also make scooters, many more things such as drones, dash cams, bags, shoes, also made by Xiaomi. Any electronic gadget you can think about, Xiaomi got their hands on it. But as a great company, they have to face great competition also. In case of India, if I talk about, Xiaomi has to face challenges and compete with companies like Huawei. Huawei is also a China based smartphone brand company which makes smartphones and smartphone accessories. uh, Xiaomi got 33 billion USD dollar revenue over the last year, but as Huawei got more revenue than Xiaomi just because Xiaomi get less profit margin over their smartphones. Xiaomi has to face challenges with companies like OnePlus. OnePlus is also a Chinese company which offers smartphones including stock Android in them. Not only OnePlus, Xiaomi has to face competitions between other companies like Motorola. Motorola is a USA based company which offers budget smartphones in India. They got 2 billion USD revenue in India last year, which is lesser than Xiaomi. Then Xiaomi has to face competition with South Korean brand which we all know is Samsung. Samsung is offering great smartphones from the beginning of 2000, and they offering high-end smartphones like premium products and to budget smartphones also to mid-range products. Xiaomi and Samsung have to have competition in selling their phones, but Xiaomi is more focused on selling budget smartphones than Samsung is in luxury premium quality products. Now let's talk about what made Xiaomi so famous in India and worldwide. The main reason they got famous is that they are offering new features in their smartphones that are latest, and they are also offering great camera quality, great battery life, and also overall build quality is very good. They are offering much more RAM and internal storage in their smartphones, which other companies are charging much more money to offer. They are able to pull this because of they have set profit margin on their smartphones which is only 5%. This is a fun fact about the Xiaomi, that they take only 5% profit over their smartphone they sell. They make most of their revenue by selling other phone accessories. Now I'm going to do a product review of one of the Xiaomi product which is a MI Smartband 5. MI has a smartband series list which include 1, 2, 3, 4. The one I got with me is the latest they are offering. It includes heart rate monitor, which is very beneficial for monitoring our heart rate. It can be helpful for patients with the high blood pressure. They can monitor their heart rate regularly. Also for the athletes and the office workers, they can check how much their heart rate is going to be good or not. Then they are I'm going to first tell you about the outer features of this band. It is offering like this soft rubber material, which is very helpful because it's waterproof. It don't itch when we wear it, and it does not do any harm to our skin. And it has a charging port on the back, which is very helpful when we have to charge this, because we don't have to remove this to charge. Now talking about its internal features, one of the feature I have already told you about, which is its heart rate monitoring. Also this band offers fast charging, which is very helpful when we are traveling, or right now we don't have much time to charge the things for all day. This band is once fully charged, which can go up to 15 days, which is a very good amount of time. If we talk about, like, once we charge this, it can easily go up to 15 days. Then the other features I'm going to tell you about this band is its fitness apps, which can help the athlete to do certain body movements and regulate their performance, which is built in fitness mode for this band. Then we can receive our notifications also in this. For example, if my phone is outside or I'm not using my phone, I can still receive my notifications on this band. Then another features I'm going to talk about this band is that it has stress monitor. In our regular life we get stressed very easily, so once a person who is wearing this band, if he or she is feeling stress, it can cause an alarm that your body is under stress. Then you can use this breathing system to control your heart rate, your stress also, which can helpful regarding if someone is going through mental breakdown, or they have to calm down, or they are feeling very stressed in their office or while doing some physical activity. They can use this method to calm their body and mind down. Then another feature I'm going to talk about this smartband is it also tell us about the weather. If it's going to rain, and it will automatically alarm us, and we can prepare ourselves prior something happens. Then it has DND, which can put our phone to airplane mode. It also have alarm feature. Camera features are in this band. It does not have any camera, but we can operate our smartphone camera with this. We don't have to click on the smartphone to take picture or something. And another feature this band is offering is its budget friendly price. It is coming in 2500 rupees, which is very reasonable price for this kind of technology, and it is for everyone, like student, teacher, office worker, a fitness enthusiast, fitness person. They can wear this brand anywhere, and they will get the benefits of its features. Thank you.
They don't know about you. They don't know about. They used to look at down.
你不行了吧？可以。
Turn up the music to the max. Let all your muscles get relaxed. Stand on
把这些也整理一下给我。
And now I'm feeling super strong. Cause running this business keeps me going. Running bingo, now let us go.
这个方案可以吗？
可以嫁给我吗？
可以，
They don't know about
可以刷
you.
卡
They
吗
don't know
可以
about you. They just laugh. They don't know about you. They don't know about you. It's the Me Band 5.
哇，感觉你啊，太可以，太可以！
Move with Me Band 5.
你大姨妈不是要来了？可以，
You gotta move with Me Band 5. It's the Me Band 5.
兄弟，可以吗？可以。小爱同学，换首歌。可以再做一个吗？可以。可以。